Note-taking tips and tricks to pass NAATI CCL. Note-taking is a very important tool in this exam. Note-taking tips during practice preparation. 1. Take notes in English. 2. Clear and well-spaced handwriting. 3. Make your abbreviation and shortcuts. 4. Don't feel the hurry to start interpreting. 5. Do practice as many dialogues as you can. 6. Do update and compile your vocabulary list. 7. Don't forget to write the target language to avoid confusion. 8. Don't forget to take repetition. 9. Rephrasing is necessary. Note-taking tips and tricks during the exam. Start with a clean paper. It is very important to start writing in a clean paper to avoid mistake, and before the exam starts you are not allowed to put anything in the sheet until the introduction of the dialogue will begin. Write in a vertical form. Writing vertically will help you to avoid confusions, and every segments will be organized and synchronized as you take down notes. Do not forget the context. It is important to note down the names of the English speaker and LOTE speaker, their designation, and the purpose of the dialogue, which will be played to you at the beginning of the dialogue. If you are well prepared with the vocabularies, you can be easily familiar with the possible vocabularies and use them in the dialogue. Example: the dialogue about home loans covers the terminologies of finance, bank, and some legal terminologies. Do not try to write everything in note. You have to interpret every dialogue segment after 5 or 6 seconds of listening to it. If you try to write everything in the paper, then it's a blunder mistake from your end. You will be missing out on many important keywords and you will lose marks. Instead, just note down the important keywords of each sentence. Write down keywords of a noun, adjective, verb, adverb, facts, names, and figures in your notes. You are requested to write down keywords of a noun, adjective, verb, adverb, facts, names, and figures in their notes. You can easily form translated sentences based on nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, facts, names, and figures written on the notes. Write down in neat and clean handwriting so that it'll be easy in interpreting. It's advisable to write your notes in clean handwriting instead of scribbling them. You will take time to decipher what you have written and lose precious time in trying to understand what you have jotted down. Vertically taking notes helps, where you should write one sentence in a line so it can be easily interpreted in front of the examiner. Create your abbreviations. While taking notes, you should use your listening tact at the time of interpretation. If you are familiar with the day-to-day activities, it will be easier for you to visualize the scenario and easily translate and note-taking at the same time. Developing abbreviations during your practice time helps a lot and will save you time during the real exam time. Abbreviations created and used during the group discussion and while talking with friends are easier to remember. Take notes either in English or in LOTE, what you feel comfortable with. Take notes in whichever language you are more comfortable in. It can be either in LOTE or English. Though the candidate should practice talking in LOTE whenever possible to increase vocabulary until they have given their NAATI CCL exam. Use a question mark at the end for questions and X, negative symbol, for negative sentences. You may be confident in your memory skills and feel you don't need to have note-taking skills, but let us point out that a step towards your failure score well in the NAATI CCL exam. Note-taking skill is a crucial aspect of the NAATI test. You should be confident in both note-taking and presentation. You can easily request a one-time repetition in each dialogue to confirm the meaning of the complete sentence. You can use a question mark at the end for questions and X, negative symbol, for negative sentences, which will certainly save time. Example: he is not ready to go can be written as, he X ready to go. Examples of abbreviation words. ASAP, as soon as possible. RSVP, please reply, please respond. RIP, rest in peace. BYOB, bring your own beer/booze. BBQ barbecue. PIN, personal identity number. E.g., example. I.E, that is. Etc., the rest, so forth. ATM, automatic teller machine. 2WD, 2-wheel drive. ABS, anti-lock brake system. ACC, accessory. Today, today. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Tonight, tonight. FB, Facebook. GR8, great. Hand, have a nice day. HMU, hit me up. HMB, hit me back. IAC, in any case. ILY, I love you. IRL, in real life. ISO, in search of. J/K, just kidding. L8R, later. LMAO, laughing my ass off. Sample notes of successful students.